How much we try to elevate our external world with grades, degrees, or certificates, the ultimate growth and success is impossible unless we enrich and educate our inner world. That's the core of our growing community.
I am the best with my unique strength. I create the life of my
I hold
dreams.
responsibilities for my own action.
And I was so inspired by you guys that I would like to become an inspiration like you guys in future.
He has gained that confidence that yes, it's all in mind actually.
It's a relationship between the whole people and to become a community. So this is what we actually require it. So how's the community? It's like family.
The commitment from you, ma'am, from your side as well as Tapas sir, right? It was excellent, right?
First of all, I would like to thank God because at the right time we met you and Tapas sir. So we were got into the right connection with you that time.
Our mission is to empower 1 million teenagers with unshakable confidence, deep concentration, and effective communication skill, and to create true leaders. We create a community of true leaders for present and future.
Leader is nothing but having the qualities of leadership and helping others solve their problems through your power is called being a leader.
We dream and we work to create a better world for tomorrow. Welcome to a new school for a new, better tomorrow. We are creating new leaders for today and for a beautiful tomorrow.